Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to import and export bookmarks in on your Chrome browser. So you can use it for like later. You can save as a backup, and you can use it on some other device on your maybe another laptop. So okay, so I'll show you now. So first you need to go to the so from here you got to select bookmarks. Then you select bookmark manager. Once you're on there, then you got this three dots. Click on that and then click on export bookmarks. So what this does is you will save your bookmarks as a single file, single HTML file into your local drive, right? So so it's something I saved before, so I'm gonna replace it. Right? And so here you have the bookmark file, and so same thing if you want to import these to your one of your new browsers. Say if you have erased your drive, you have formatted your drive and reinstalled your Windows, and you install Windows, and you want to have those all bookmarks, the one you saved right now, with your new PC or with your new operating system. So you can do that by going to the same steps. Go to the bookmarks, then you go to manager, then you click on these three dots, then you go to import bookmarks, right? So once you go there, you can um, import it, like open the bookmark file from your uh, saved path. So here I have saved in desktop, so I can click on this and then open, and you will be import those bookmarks to your bookmark path, right? Yeah, right. Thank you very much.